Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for Raymond in Kentucky on this new Stryker SR-955, and it's 421 built, Class B, straight 4-pill with2sc2879Cs. Raymond, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Show you what we got. Radio drive only. First look at the pass-through SWR. Hello. None whatsoever. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. It's keying 6 watts. Hello. About 44 bird. 100 watt slug peak. Hello. 82 peak. Alright. Roll it all the way up. 50 watt slug. It's about 18. Hello. 50 bird. Hello. Same peak, about 82. Now Raymond, listen to me here. I set this up so if you're going to run barefooted, you roll it all the way up. If you're going to run your amplifier, keep your RF power all the way down, okay? And here's why. Turn it on. I'm going to remove the 50 watt slug. I'm going to remove the 100 watt slug. 1000 watt in peak. 500 watt in average. RF power is all the way down the radio, and this is how I'd like to see you run it all the time. Okay? So there's just a hair under 200 watt carrier. Hello. So you got 400 bird and about 820 peak. You're keying about 200 watts, swinging about 800 peak. That's on AM. You can go over here to sideband. If you leave the RF power all the way down, hello. 400 bird, about 800 peak. I'm sorry, didn't have it on sideband. Here we go. Hello. It's going to do very low power. On sideband, you can roll the carrier all the way up, the variable. Hello. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Check 1 2 3 4 5. And you're good. But when you're on AM, Raymond, RF power all the way down, okay? Hope you like it. It's exactly what you wanted. And I think it's going to work great for you. Hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. This 421 built 4-pill. It's Stryker SR-955. Bump.